National Forest today to go hiking and to see some waterfalls.
Maybe further.
No camping, no fire. Sure.
I already spotted a waterfall. Let's go. This can be a walking stick for me.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
There it is!
Oh, you're right, bro.
I have to carry it in there.
I think this is our path.
You are definitely not. Man, I'm really scared I'm gonna get a tick.
You never brought the right shoes for wading. Wading through the water. You didn't bring the right shoes. That's supposed to.
I found 2 waterfalls now. We found 2 waterfalls now. Look how many waterfalls you gotta see how many waterfalls we found now. We found like 2 waterfalls. Together.
Shallow.
Found it, Mom. But I think we're on the wrong side of it. We're on the wrong side.
Yeah, I can reverse them. So much easier.
I know, we walk on it. Look right here.
What do you think, sis?
What's the rock? Walking on the rock. Skater!
Skater bug?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him. There's a couple of them.
Oh yeah.
Skater bugs! Skater bugs!
There's paper towel markings.
Turn around, look. Say hiking.
Hiking! Quicksand!
Look at me. Hiking.
Hiking! Mommy, it's
Bryson.
quicksand!
Yeah, I already do. I just
It's quicksand! So we better get out! We won't be stuck forever!
I should probably go help.
Yeah, that water is cold. Also, I kind of sank in the sand over here. Like sing. It's dry.
Not so deep up.
Make sure the binoculars are safe. Because we're in a hopefully waterproof case. I think we need to go that way.
I don't think that's the way I went.
Yeah, that's why I went. That's
So we can walk straight this way. This is quicksand. Hi, bro.
No, this is not quicksand, but it was over here where I was saying.
Best hike ever! Best hike ever!
Yeah, we all go in.
Best hike ever! I didn't know that was because we were walking on a rock. That's why I said walk where you step. Yeah! Watch your step!
Thanks for holding me up, bro.
Land! Oh! Land!
Oh!
Land!
It'll be fun, Mom said.
Land! Yeah!
Whew.
The case is waterproof.
Back on dry land. So they're pretty cold.
Wait a minute.
Wait, see, sis?
Why do I hear a beeping sound?
I think it's the
A
camera.
bumping sound.
Oh, I
A
don't
bumping
know.
sound like drums. I hear it too, man.
Strange. But I don't see anything.
Be easier to climb up right there.
Yeah, but I don't. The water was really deep down there.
Can we go back into the water? Look how shallow
it is.
Yeah, but see, this whole section here is deep.
But then all right here to the front.
Wow.
I thought there was a bunch of waterfalls. Yeah, but I've only seen one.
It's not finished yet. Woo! I'm going this way. I'm staying on this concrete. I'm staying on the rock.
Here, Maya, watch out.
Look, Dad. Quicksand.
I know, you're sinking hook, Mom. Quicksand.
My stick is sinking. Ah, look my foot.
Now this is what I've been waiting for my whole life. I've been prepared for quicksand my whole life. I watched cartoons where they escaped quicksand. I'm ready for this.
Let's go see the waterfall.
Yeah, so I think we should. So guys, what did you think of the hike?
The hike was good. Yeah.
Slip, cold
Cold?
and slippery.
Yeah, cold and slippery.
But still, it was awesome.
Yeah, it was the best. You got an alley, a couple alleys.
Were you, how did you feel? Did you feel that it was the best the whole time? You didn't like it, did you?
No.
Is it worth it?
Yeah.
Can we keep carving this?
I don't know. Hey, tell you what, let me get hold of it.
And you got a walking stick out of it.
Yeah.
I carved this also.
Is that your heart?
Mine carved, look, Brayden carved something too. I carved with his bare
So Mom, what's this falls called?
Kinlock. K-I-N-L-O-C-K. Kinlock Falls.
And it's in
Bankhead National Forest. Bankhead National Forest, yeah.
There you go.